How to fix Chrome not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So after click on apps, scroll down and search Chrome app. You will see Chrome app is here, so click on Chrome app. So scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix Chrome not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Chrome not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.